How to turn on ghost mode on location on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when Snap it's opening as you see, you will go here to your profile and click. Then as you see when my profile is opening, you go here on settings and click again. And then you will go down to see my location, then you click, and then here you will click ghost mode. Click here like this, then I will choose until turn it off like this, and that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.